everybody, welcome! My name is Phoenix and this is my little brother.
Hi, my name is Zephyr.
And today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing 2 pairs of the kids wired headphones by the company Ziumier, and I can't wait to unbox these.
Yay, let's do it! Okay, let's unbox it. So it's pretty easy to unbox. And this is the main headphones in this foamy bag. And it has this cord that you can attach to all your electronics. And inside, there's this instruction manual. Now that we have unboxed it,
it's time to put these headphones to the test.
I'm feeling like ooh, and then I had to tell him I had to go. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm meditating. My Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, no, no, no.
You don't like this one?
Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hands, my dear, and place them both in mine. Havana, ooh, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na, na. Hey. Got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. Well, I had me a boy, turned him into a man. I showed him all the things that he didn't understand. Whoa, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. Hey, maybe you made me a believer. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm imitating. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. No way with me tonight. No way with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, you make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Exes and oh-ohs, they want me. Like go-ohs, they want me. Oh no, see you walking around like it's a funeral.
Okay, so overall, I thought these headphones deserve a big thumbs up. I really like them. I really like how comfortable they were. The padding on the top is great, super squishy, and also by the ears here and here. Yeah, I just really liked how comfortable they were. Zephyr, what did you like about them?
I like how they can extend, because if you have a big head, it would fit perfectly, and there are different settings.
Yeah, so the settings go all the way up to 6, and I also like how they're adjustable to fit the size of your head. Another thing that I like is how flexible they are. So you can like move it up like that. You can also move it kind of outwards like that, and you can also move it to the side like that, so that way it kind of just fits on your ears perfectly. I really like that. Anything else that you like about it, Zephyr?
Yeah. And they have different colors, and you can pick out the best color that you like the best.
Yeah, so there's 3 different colors. There's green, light blue, and blue. This one is the blue, and this one is the light green. Or the green, sorry. But yeah, I also like how you can kind of like choose your favorite color or choose the color that you like the best. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of our review for the Ziumier wired headphones. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everybody!